Hello and welcome to this video where I'll show you how you can get any text-to-image or image editing model to work in ChatGPT. So this works through custom tool calling via the custom GPTs. And for example, here I've made this image generation demo agent, and it can use any image model on the replicate side. So for example, here I'll say use Nano-banana to make an image of a cat. See here's the cat, and it uses the Nano-banana model for that. So I've primarily developed this tool for the organization I work for. I think it'll be useful for other organizations who has an enterprise GPT setup, because you might want to use very good image models. You might want to use very fast image models in your day-to-day workflow, and giving all employees multiple subscriptions to all the services is not viable. So by this you can use pay as you go and pay for each token. I just also want to show you another example. I can also use reference images. So here I can upload reference images of a character I normally use on LinkedIn and say, make my reference character ride the cat. And then it will both use the uploaded image and the previous image to generate a new combined image. And here you can see it. It's I think it's quite nice. Is it the same cat? Yeah, I would say kind of. And for the last example, I'd like to show you that you can also use very fast models. Use set image, which is the current best very fast model, to generate an image of a castle. And this should be extremely fast. Like probably the generation itself will take 2 seconds, and then the back and forth. See, now we have the image already. Yeah, and now I'm going to show you how I set this whole thing up. Okay, so it's all based on the custom actions you can make in a custom GPT. Right now my ChatGPT is in Danish, but I hope that's okay. So I have this prompt, and I'll have the full link to the prompt in the GitHub repo. But it basically just tells it how it should use this tool and other behavior. Also, always put the image generation off, and then I will show you here. You have to put in this custom OpenAPI schema, where you fill out your details for the webhook name and the N8N cloud, which is where I set up the webhook to call the other images, and then basically it fills out all the flows. And I also have this in the GitHub repo. Now I'll go to the GPT tool itself, and you can see it is a webhook that calls the replicate API, and you have to put in your own replicate token here. And here it has the inputs of the prompt, the image inputs, and here up you have the model that you should call, and it just works with any model. It's very good. Then you basically when the call has been done, you check the status. If it is started or processing, you wait. If it succeeded, then you call the success and then respond with the image. And if there's an error. And also here I have the whole OpenAPI schema with the marked locations where you should fill in your own, and the whole prompt. And the reason I chose Replicate is that Replicate is a service where it basically has all the creative AI models, also has the video models, but primarily it has all of the best image models. and has a combined API schema for those. And basically to get your API key here, you have to log in, have to add some money to your account, go into API tokens, and then create your own token here and copy that into the N8N workflow. I'm sure it'll also be very easy to set this up as a fast API service. But for now, I think it's just very cool that we can allow our coworkers in our organizations to be able to call very powerful models, not in ChatGPT, which is not natively in ChatGPT, but with ChatGPT. As in my experience, I think ChatGPT is probably the best all-around service for normal office work. It just has the best environment for everything. And thank you for following along, and I hope this will be useful for you.